Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. Look what I just made, cauliflower pizza steaks. I know you're gonna love these. They are super delicious, healthy, and guilt-free. So stay tuned for my recipe. I don't know about you guys, but for those of you who know me, I have a sweet tooth and I really do love ice cream. But I don't love all the calories and the sugar and the fat, okay? So we're gonna make a healthy version of a fruit ice cream cone, okay? And this is fun for you, for your whole family, your children, your grandchildren, all right? And super easy idea, like ridiculously easy and versatile. So all I've done is I've just taken some chopped up strawberries, like 3 of them. I had a kiwi, so I chopped up a kiwi. I had some frozen bananas and some blueberries, all right? So to make your fruit cocktail. And again, you can use whatever fruit you want and how much fruit you want. This is such a versatile recipe depending on how many you're making, all right? And for the ice cream part, we're using ultra light Cool Whip, okay? And for 6 tablespoons, only 2 smart points on WW for those of you on WW. Now, of course, an ice cream cone wouldn't be an ice cream cone without the cone. Hello. So I found these delicious ones with chocolate on top at Walmart, great value. And they also had these teeny weeny mini ones that I keep. Not that you can put too much in it, but you know, for somebody who's little or you just want a small little treat, you can have 2 of them for 1 smart point on WW, and the large ones are 2 smart points each. So depending on how much Cool Whip you use, you're just calculating the Cool Whip, and the cones and the fruit is 0. So that's good. Unless you use some other little things like maybe some caramel syrup on top or some chocolate syrup, but this is sugar-free. And you could even put a few sprinkles. And I even have some Lily's white chocolate chips. So really, this is so easy. I'm just gonna add, and we're gonna layer. So I just take a little bit of my fruit, put some fruit in, and then some Cool Whip, and then some fruit, and you're just layering, okay? And then some Cool Whip, all right? And if you want it higher, you can make it higher, add some more fruit, even just for the top to keep it like that, and add, you know, I mean, the more color you could use pineapple and leave it like that, or you can add more, what? Cool Whip, just a little bit more. So you can make tons of them. And like I said, you could add a little bit of some chocolate syrup, a little bit on top like that, or some, add a few chocolate chips, or even a few sprinkles, which make it look like a really cute ice cream cone. And that, my friends, is an easy, delicious, fast, and then you can do it for the small one, okay? So let's do a small one too, all right? Hopefully that doesn't fall. And you can even keep them in your freezer, but you know, if you want to harden them, you know, you want them to harden, I mean, a little bit, all right? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of fruit, and you want to cut your fruit up really small. I didn't cut up the blueberries. And for the mini one, just add a little bit more on top. I'll add a little bit of the strawberry to make it look pretty, because I like things that are colorful, and then a little bit more Cool Whip on top. And you have a mini one with a few sprinkles. And I'm just gonna bring it up. Like, how cute is that, all right? Easy, simple, delicious, versatile. You can add whatever you want, whatever kind of sprinkle you want, whatever fruit you want. And that's it. That's the whole recipe, I know. So I hope you love this. Quick, easy, fast, delicious, healthy, yummy, guilt-free. I mean, the list just goes on and on, okay? So tell me what you think. Comment below. Let's take a bite. OMG. Yum. And I freeze the bananas too. Oh my God, that is so good. I wish you were here to take a bite of this. And don't forget to tag me, take a picture. Tell me what you think. If you've changed it up, tell me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell option, and of course, share my channel with everyone, all right? So I would say this whole thing is maybe 2 smart points because I didn't put that much Cool Whip. You're adding a lot of fruit. 2 smart points? Hey guys, for all WW programs, that is a win-win. All right, enjoy your ice cream cones. Love you guys. Bye for now.